Hey there. Today I have some cut and fold gemstones that a colleague of mine sent me to test out here. So I'm going to do a little box opening or envelope opening. Each of these should work out to something maybe about the size of an apple or a grapefruit. And I think all you're going to need are just some sharp X-acto knives and a straight edge, although I'm told you should be able to do it without the straight edge, but I have one here and I've got the nice cutting mat. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what I've got here. Cut and fold gemstone fun. Okay, so this is how you get a hold of the fellow here who has these. Oh, these are nice. This is kind of a thicker, not quite as thick as, say, chipboard, but thicker than paper for sure. So I've got a couple of different ones here. It's like this is a round, brilliant. We've got the top of the stone, all called the crown, and the bottom called the pavilion. This is an extra one here. This is an oval. Okay, so we'll try out both. So it looks pretty self-explanatory here. You can see that we've got, I'm gonna have to cut all the way around the perimeter here and then be mindful of all these other small cuts, which, you know, you'll have to bring these inwards. And then I think what I'm gonna do is tape everything together. So with that, let's go ahead and start cutting. Alrighty, let's see how well we did here. The whole thing should come out. And I'll see if I missed any of those lines here going all the way around. It says inside corners. Can be kind of tricky. Oh, yes, yeah, I missed one right here. This one didn't. Okay, now I've got top piece. I'm going to set that aside. And now I'm going to work on the bottom. All right, that one wasn't so bad. It had some of those long, narrow cuts here that were tricky, but I used a ruler and they came out pretty good. So now we're ready to start scoring and folding. And you might be wondering to yourself, okay, well, do I score on this side or this side? Well, the thing about a gemstone is that every single fold is going to be an outside fold or an outside corner. There are no inside corners on gemstones like these. So what I'm going to do is lightly score every single one of these lines, enabling it to bend inward. So to do that, I like to just use the back of my X-acto knife here. So let's go ahead and start scoring real fast. Okay, we finished scoring everything, and I did it freehand, even though a ruler would have done a better job. So every single one of these I need to start folding here inward. This stuff is kind of like thin, like ultra thin styrofoam. It has a bit of a shine to it though, but it's actually paper, but the sheen makes me feel like it's card. It's more like a styrofoam. So I'm going to pull this over and then fold it back. All right, finished doing some folds. I've got my tape, so I'm just going to start taping up the seams here. On the inside, here, so that way my tape doesn't show on the outside. I can put it across each of these seams here. Okay, that took me about 30 minutes to complete. So not bad. I'm pretty happy with this. It's got nice facets. Afterwards, I could paint it or color on it if I wanted to. Although if I was going to color it, I probably would have done it beforehand. But it was a fun little art project. So anywho, if you like paper art and you like gemstones, yeah, it's a fun thing to do. Although challenging as well. I got the link, well, not a link, an email down in the description how you can contact the guy who makes these. And I received this for free. So that's my only disclosure. But anyways, thanks for watching.